Buy this motorcycle if you live in a city, have a short to medium commute, and want the most stylish, tech-forward way to bypass traffic for under $7,000. It is the perfect second bike for a garage or a primary machine for the apartment dweller who can't install a dedicated EV charger. Avoid it if you plan on doing real touring or have a heavy right hand on long stretches of highway. If you need a bike that can do 100 miles without a pause, the battery technology just isn't there yet at this price point.
Buy this bike if you are an urban rider who wants the absolute fastest, most fun way to get from a downtown apartment to a cafe or office. If you want to dominate stoplight drag races and value style and tech over long-distance capability, this is the most fun you can have on two wheels in the city. Skip this if you need to ride on the highway for more than 20 minutes at a time, or if this is your only motorcycle and you like weekend touring. The lack of DC fast charging and poor highway range makes it strictly a short-range weapon.
Buy this bike if you are an electric enthusiast or collector who wants the highest performance electric motorcycle ever mass-produced. You want the thrill of 2.6-second 0 to 60 launches, the convenience of DC fast charging, and you have the mechanical know-how or patience to maintain a bike with no factory support. Skip this if you need a daily commuter with a warranty and a dealer network. If you want something you can drop off at a shop for service, or if you are a new rider, the weight and power are dangerous for beginners. Bottom line, the Energica Ever Rebelle RS is a magnificent, flawed, exhilarating machine. It is the best electric motorcycle I have ever ridden, which makes its manufacturer's demise even more tragic.
Buy this bike if you are a wealthy collector who wants the absolute cutting edge of design and engineering, and you want a ride experience, the anti-dive front end, that you literally cannot get on a standard street bike. It is a piece of history and art. Skip this if you want a daily rider or reliable support. If you want high-performance electric riding without the drama, get a Livewire 1 or an Energica S. They are faster to charge, easier to fix, and you won't have a panic attack if you drop it in the driveway. The Vector is a dream machine, but dreams are hard to live with every day.
The Diamond Hypersport Premier is, without a doubt, the most technologically advanced motorcycle I have ever ridden. It feels like a genuine leap forward. The shift ergonomics are a game changer that solves the single biggest problem with sport bikes. Buy this motorcycle if you are a wealthy early adopter who must have the future right now. You want one bike that can genuinely be a track day weapon and a comfortable commuter, and you have the patience to wait for it. Avoid it if you are a pragmatist. For this price, you can buy a top-spec Zero SRS or Energica Ego today, or you could buy a Ducati Panigale V4 and a Multistrada for the same money. The Hypersport is brilliant, but it's one hell of a high-stakes, expensive promise.